I'm back. Today I'm gonna do a new teardown video for you. I'm gonna tear down both of these cars, the WPL, this is the B1 and this is the C-14. We're gonna see the difference, what is shared between them. Maybe you have both of them, so you need to know what spare parts you need. This is before I'm gonna do all the upgrades that I said I'm gonna do. But before we get started, I promised you a giveaway of one of them, so I'm gonna do the lottery now and we'll see which one of you going to get one of these. Go, not going to use screen capture, just showing you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna copy the link from the video. Today is 24th of February and I just googled comment selector, paste the video here. We have 42 unique comments, so you have about 1 to 42 chance. If I get one that didn't choose which one you like, I'm going to do it again. So let's start. And the winner is Bruce. Okay, congratulations. I'm gonna post my mail, gonna send me your address. I'm gonna send you selected the red truck. So this is the C-14, gonna get one. Yeah, so let's continue with the video for today. Okay, congratulations to Bruce, and we're gonna continue with the teardown. I'm gonna start with the C-14. So let's see what we have. First of all, back here, remove the lipo. And as you can see here, I have a lot of stuff. Not really sure where to start. Really want to see the servo because it has this crazy noise. So probably gonna try to remove the canopy first. See what held in it. It seems to have 2 screws here. Okay, it wasn't so easy. So I was afraid of the screws are not all the same. So to know which one, these 2 short ones came here. When you tear down a car, just make sure you put the screws where you took it out. It'll be easier for you to remember where there was. So this one here. And I'm missing one. Here it is. So to take out the canopy, it has 6 screws, 2 here. If you see the car from below, this one is the front, so 2 here, 2 in the center and 2 here in the back. That's the canopy. Nice. If you want to have it like customized for your taste, you can color it. Just cover some of the plastic part you don't want or take it apart, and then use spray or carbon decal. I have a video showing how to do it. So that's the canopy. Let's see here. This is where the servo is. You can see here. This is kind of the ESC. That's it, very simple. As you can see, it has one for this goes, turning it on and off. One for the motor here. This motor, it's actually, I guess, the servo motor, or the main motor. So I need to check. I guess it's the servo motor. This goes for the battery, one for the actual motor, and one for the LEDs. Very simple. Need to remove here the arm, turn the wheel, so I can take out this box. So all this box is like a servo. So I need to figure out how to rebuild it. So as you can see here, this is why it makes all the noise. Just a small motor here that acts like a servo. So this is for you to know. If you take this one apart, do it very slowly. Hopefully I will be able to rebuild it. So this is probably the first thing you want to upgrade in this car, just to put in a proper servo, because this one is very weak. Did try to use the car, very noisy, very weak. Okay, so but to change it, okay, I got this wire just broke off. This is from here. To change it, you will need to change all the ESC, of course, because as you can see here, this is not a regular ESC. If you put a servo, you will need an ESC, you will need an RX for the remote, and you will probably want to change the motor. I'm not sure, we'll see later. So this is for the teardown, and let me see is there anything else interesting here. Maybe let's take a look at the gearbox. Inside the gearbox, let's see, what's the easiest way to get in. Okay, as you can see here, another motor. This is probably the same as inside here. That's the gearbox. As you can see, this spins sequentially. So this is 4x4, just a small motor here. It goes inside. Here's our gears. We'll open it for you to see. Hopefully this time it won't come apart. Don't want to take it all apart. So you can see here, there's a lot of gears inside. Let's give you slow but more strength for the movement, more torque. As you can see, it's full of grease. I'm gonna close it back. So if you do change the motor for the car, you probably have two options. Maybe do separate motors for the back and the front. Maybe upgrade the gearbox for a different motor. You're probably gonna go for 390. Maybe it will fit. Definitely gonna need a better ESC if you change the motor, so it will fit a crawling mode, because too much speed won't do good for the car. So maybe I'm going to show you the back gearbox here. The wheels are very simple, as you can see. I saw that it came out with a metal gearbox. All the back axle from metal, but this will probably cost you upgrade all the car. But you're gonna go for like axle crawler or something better than this one. Don't invest too much on upgrading it. So you can see here, I want to open all the way. Very simple. Having chrome pinion. You can see here, very simple. You can see this wheel needs adjustment. Ah, okay. Just came out of it. We'll need to glue it. Maybe add some weights inside. So that's it. This is all tear down. I'm gonna build it later. Don't need to waste your time. And if you look at the WPL, this is the B1. As you can see here, it's very similar. So my guess is this is exactly the same. Also the axle, the axis and the gears inside the same. The motor servo is the same. So most of it is the same. Of course the body is different. As you can see, the weight here have these metal rods going all the way. It's different. The axes are a bit different. As you can see here, it has more parts because this one has different kind of suspension. This has these metal springs here. This has like a shock look-alike, but it's actually a spring inside, but it's different. So make sure if you want to switch, get the right one. But the upgrade will probably be the same for both of them. If you upgrade the motor or the servo, all the electronics, it will be the same. So that's it for the teardown. Hope this helps you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.